Yo, Dr. Cool Auto. Fix here. Today, I'm dropping some serious knowledge that your local mechanic might not want you to know. We're talking about 25 secret car maintenance tips that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and keep your car running like a dream. Alright guys, this is so easy, you'll kick yourself for paying a mechanic. We're talking about the cabin air filter. It keeps your car's air clean. Mechanics charge a lot, but guess what? You can do it yourself for $10 in 10 minutes. Check your manual, it's often behind the glove box. Pop in a new one, and boom, you're saving big bucks. Next up, we're talking about tires, the unsung heroes of your car. Rotating your tires every 5,000 miles is crucial. This simple trick ensures even wear and tear. Think of it like wearing the same shoes daily. Same goes for your tires. Often you can get this done during an oil change. Just ask nicely, and they'll usually hook you up. Let's talk about fuel additives, the secret sauce to a happy engine. Over time, gunk builds up in your fuel system, clogging things up and hurting performance. Fuel injector cleaner blasts away deposits and keeps everything smooth. It's cheap, like $10 a bottle, and you only need it every 3,000 miles. Just pour it in your gas tank and let it work its magic. Your engine will thank you, and your wallet will too with fuel efficiency gains. Chapter 4. Oil change myths busted. Let's talk about oil changes, the bread and butter of car maintenance. Some mechanics say you need synthetic oil every time, but that's not always true. Unless your owner's manual says so, regular oil works fine and saves money. Regular oil changes keep your engine running smoothly for years. Chapter 5. Crack the code. Check engine light secrets revealed. The dreaded check engine light, a mechanic's best friend and a car owner's worst nightmare. For about $20, get an OBD2 scanner. It tells you why the check engine light is on. No more guessing games or expensive diagnostic fees. Often it's something simple, like a loose gas cap. Knowledge is power, and this tool puts it back in your hands. Chapter 6. Wiper blade replacement, don't get ripped off. Wiper blades are essential for clear visibility, especially in rain. Mechanics often charge double or triple for new wiper blades. Don't fall for it. Get them at any auto parts store for a fraction of the cost. Replacing them is easy. Press the tab, slide the old one off, line up the new one, snap it in, and you're good to go. Chapter 7. Battery Care 101, the baking soda trick mechanics hate. Your car's battery is the heart of your electrical system. Corrosion can build up on the battery terminals over time. This acts like a barrier, preventing the battery from working. Here's a secret baking soda. Mix baking soda and water, apply it, and watch the corrosion disappear. This simple trick can extend your battery's life and save you trouble. Chapter 8. Tire pressure, the free performance booster. Tire pressure is simple yet often overlooked. Properly inflated tires ensure a smooth ride and better fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires wear out faster and decrease fuel economy. Checking and inflating your tires is free. Most gas stations have air pumps. Get a tire pressure gauge for a few bucks. Check your owner's manual and make it a habit to check monthly. Chapter 9. Coolant flush, the DIY secret to engine longevity. Let's dive into the world of coolant, the lifeblood of your engine. Over time, coolant can break down and become acidic, leading to corrosion and overheating, a disaster for your engine. A coolant flush is essential and often overpriced by mechanics. But you can do it yourself. DIY kits are available with easy-to-follow instructions. Chapter 10. AC recharge. Beat the heat without breaking the bank. Summertime heat got you sweating? Don't let a weak AC system ruin your day. Before you rush to the mechanic, try an AC recharge. Often, a simple recharge is all it takes. Find kits at any auto parts store with clear instructions. Just make sure you get the right refrigerant. Chapter 11. Brake check. Hear that squeal? Don't ignore it. Your brakes, the unsung heroes of stopping power, deserve your attention. Listen closely for any squealing, grinding, or scraping sounds when you apply the brakes. Those are your brake pads telling you they're wearing thin. Ignoring these signs is a recipe for disaster, as it can lead to damage to your rotors, which are much more expensive to replace. Brake pad replacements are relatively straightforward and much cheaper if you catch them early. Chapter 12. Engine Bay. Detailing, the clean engine advantage. Let's talk about engine bay cleaning, a secret weapon in maintenance. A clean engine bay looks good and helps spot leaks and issues easily. Use a degreaser and gentle water spray to remove grime. Avoid spraying electrical components, cover them if needed. A clean engine bay means fewer headaches down the road. Chapter 13. High mileage oil, the fountain of youth for older engines. Got an older car with a lot of miles on it? High mileage oil is designed for engines with over 75,000 miles and can work wonders. Chapter 14. Belts and hoses, the silent sentinels of your engine. Under the hood of your car lies a network of belts and hoses, the unsung heroes that keep everything running smoothly. These rubber components can crack, fray, and break over time, leading to costly breakdowns. That's why it's crucial to inspect them regularly. Chapter 15. Fuel pump saver, the quarter tank rule. Ever heard of the quarter tank rule? It's a simple yet crucial tip that can save you from a hefty fuel pump repair bill. Running your car on low fuel, like consistently letting it dip below a quarter tank, can actually damage your fuel pump. The fuel pump relies on the fuel in the tank to stay cool and lubricated. Alright, let's talk about car paint, the first line of defense against the elements. Over time, sun, rain, dirt, and grime can take their toll, leaving your paint looking dull and faded. But here's a secret to keep your car shining like new waxing. Waxing your car twice a year creates a protective layer that shields the paint from harmful UV rays, prevents oxidation, and makes it easier to wash off dirt and grime. Your car's transmission is a complex piece of machinery responsible for smoothly shifting gears. Ignoring the early signs of transmission trouble can lead to costly repairs down the road. Here are a few things to watch out for: slipping gears, delayed shifting, rough shifting, and unusual noises like whining or clunking. One common culprit of transmission issues is low transmission fluid. Checking and topping off your transmission fluid is a simple task that can prevent major problems. Car recalls might sound scary, but they're actually a good thing. Manufacturers issue recalls when they discover safety defects or issues that need to be addressed. The best part? Recall repairs are usually free. That's right, the manufacturer will fix the issue at no cost to you. To check if your car has any open recalls, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) website and enter your car's VIN. When it comes to coolant, not all fluids are created equal. Using the wrong type of coolant can have disastrous consequences for your engine. Different coolants have different chemical compositions and are designed for specific engine types. Mixing coolants can lead to corrosion, overheating, and even engine damage. To avoid a costly mistake, always consult your owner's manual for the recommended coolant type and stick to it. Spark plugs, those tiny but mighty components that ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine, play a crucial role in performance and fuel efficiency. Over time, spark plugs can wear out, leading to reduced fuel economy, misfires, and difficulty starting. Replacing spark plugs is a relatively simple DIY task that can save you a good chunk of change at the mechanic. You'll need a socket wrench, a spark plug socket, and a gap gauge. Your car communicates with you through a variety of sounds, some normal, some not so much. Ignoring unusual noises coming from your car is like ignoring a crying baby. It's only going to get worse. Squeaks, rattles, knocks, grinding sounds, and clunks can all be signs of underlying issues that need attention. While some noises might be minor, others could indicate serious problems. The age-old question, do you really need premium gas? The answer in most cases is no. Unless your car's owner's manual specifically states that premium fuel is required, you're likely wasting money by using it. Electrical issues can be intimidating, but some basic fixes are well within the reach of even the most novice DIYer. Replacing a blown fuse or a burnt-out bulb is a simple task that can save you a trip to the mechanic. Start by identifying the fuse box, usually located under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Consult your owner's manual for the fuse diagram. Use a fuse puller or a pair of needle-nose pliers to remove and replace fuses. In the digital age, a wealth of information is at your fingertips, including a treasure trove of car repair resources. Websites like YouTube forums and online repair manuals offer a plethora of step-by-step guides, videos, and diagrams for a wide range of car makes and models. When it comes to replacement parts, you have two main options: OEM, which stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, or Aftermarket. OEM parts are made by the same manufacturer as your car's original parts, while aftermarket parts are made by third-party companies. OEM parts are generally more expensive but are often higher quality and are guaranteed to fit and function properly. That's it, folks. 25 secrets that mechanics hope you'll never learn. Remember, knowledge is power, and by following these tips, you'll save money and keep your car in top shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing auto advice. Dr. Cool Auto. Fix out.